today's video, what are we going to be doing is right now we're in the country, which is a place in
scariest hill.
It's just a place we call the country because we come here and stay a few times. Maddie, you just almost ran me over. But we're just gonna play a little game, and I'm just gonna walk around and show you guys what's happening right now up at the country. Let's get started.
When are we gonna ride the thing?
Mason was already riding it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maddie, I don't think you could get in it. It's a car.
Guys, Nolan has been riding this little dirt bike almost all day. Nolan, can you tell them what happened earlier whenever you were riding on it? What happened whenever you...
Fell off?
He fell off. Maddie, you tell us.
So he fell. I was right. So we were racing. I was on feet and he was on the dirt bike, and then I just see him fall. And yeah.
Yeah, so he fell. He was on the dirt bike and he fell. He hit like the side of his head. He scraped his leg.
He wasn't bleeding or anything.
He had like this little spot, and it kind of looked like there was blood on his face, but it wasn't a whole lot, guys. So he's all okay now. He's back on it for some reason. He's gonna be more dangerous. Who left a Vienna sausage can on the ground?
What the frick?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Hey guys, you want to see the death load?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going to show you Nolan going down on the dirt bike. This is what he's been doing ever since we got here today. So let's go. Nolan, go! And yes, guys, there's gunshots going on right now just because we're up in close to the mountains, so that's what they do. There they are, guys. They're all the way down at the bottom of the hill. Oh my gosh, guys.
See, that when it does this, that noise, that's mean it's bumpy and it's mainly.
So Nolan's mainly just telling Maddie what's going on and like, I don't know what they're talking about.
After this one, I'm going to show you my next load, what I made.
Why
are these flies so attractive to me? I guess I'm about to show you.
Okay,
again.
he's about to go again, guys, for some reason. Okay.
No, it's getting bumpy! Whoa! The frick?
Okay, guys, so he just went down. But yeah, that's mainly, he's been riding on that. Earlier, we played in the sprinkler, so that's why I'm kind of damp right now. Yeah, Maddie's over there doing cartwheels. Look at her. She changed clothes, though, because she just had some extra clothes, so she packed some clothes. So she has extra clothes, but I didn't pack any extra clothes because I didn't know we were coming up to the country yesterday. So yeah, guys, I just want to show you the mountain view. It's like so cool and so pretty. So
You guys want this set up?
yeah. There's the mountains, guys. Over there's the sun, which is really pretty, by the way. Do you want to talk, Maddie?
The video keep going?
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I guess Nolan wants to show you guys another thing that he's been doing today on the dirt bike. We're moving a lot, guys. I'm sorry about that. There he goes. Maddie, did Jesse just come out?
Oh no.
Okay, guys, so we're going over here where my mammy is. We're not going to show my mammy because she doesn't like to be on camera. So, yeah, but.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you number 3.
And Nolan's going to show us number 3.
What?
Nolan's,
Where's JC?
I don't know.
JS!
Ready?
I think he's probably in the house. I think I heard that door open.
Watch this.
So he probably went
Jesse.
inside. Nolan, just be careful.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Jesse?
Yeah, Jesse's inside the house, guys. Don't be scared. Just don't be worried. He's inside the house. He's all okay.
Nolan, can I try?
Oh gosh, now Maddie's gonna try, guys.
I have the last row in this house. He's saying it's the last row. Let's see what.
Okay, he's doing one last thing, and then I think Maddie's gonna try to ride it. Nolan wants us to go over there, so. Wait, Nolan, do that again. I didn't get to see it fully.
What?
Okay. Do what you just did, like kick in the air or whatever. So he's trying to do some like gymnastics or flexible stuff over here on the dirt bike, guys.
Oh my god.
Guys, there he goes. He's about to go inside the bushes. Here, let me zoom y'all in.
Wait, I forgot one more.
Hold on, guys. I'm going to get Jesse. Don't mind me screaming. Jesse! Okay, I don't think he heard me. Guys, but I want to show you guys Jesse in a minute just because he is part of the grade 8s too. I want him to be a part of it. I don't want to make videos without him. So. I can't be going so fast. It's going to ruin the video because there's going to be like all these noises in the background. Oh gosh, guys, I almost fell. There's a hole over there or something.
Okay.
There Nolan goes.
Wait, I want to show you the trick. So you put the dirt bike right here, hop on it, switch it around. Just wing.
Ooh, that would be such a cool photo shoot. Whenever I get my camera, after I make this video, I want to take a picture of that.
Alright, Maddie. Okay, give me the dirt bike. Now follow me.
Okay, guys, now Maddie is trying this. And this is not no normal dirt bike. This dirt bike literally looks like it's made for 3 or 4-year-olds, guys. And my 8-year-old brother, he's really close to being 9, but he's 8 right now. He can ride that like perfectly. He is like so skinny. He has
Wait,
abs.
I have one more
Look,
trip.
show them your abs. There's his abs, guys. Look, look. He has a 6-pack. And he's only 8, guys. He never works out, ever. He was just born with a 6-pack. And that's very unbelievable. But it's true. Oh, guys, here's Jesse over here. I'm going to show you guys Jesse. It stopped bleeding?
No, it's not.
It stopped bleeding.
It's not bleeding.
It's not bleeding anymore. Yay! Okay, guys, so earlier Jesse fell and he got cut really badly, so it started bleeding.
Wait.
So he had a Band-Aid and he just took the Band-Aid off, so that's what we're talking about.
It's not blood. It's just scratchy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there goes Maddie.
I just got too slow.
Yeah.
I'm trying it again. It's okay.
And after we're done with this, it's going to be the end.
It's not blood. It's just scratchy.
Yeah, it's just a little boo-boo, but it's okay because there's no more blood. And guys, the blood just kept pouring and pouring and it just kept coming out. It was very bad.
It just poured last night.
Last night?
Yeah, last night. Last night.
Okay. Nolan, do you have to show us something real quick? And then we're going to be done.
Okay, I want to show you mine. One of my favorite tricks. Hey, come sit down and look.
Yes, guys, did you see that? I know I was talking to Jesse and stuff and showing Jesse because of his boo-boo. But Maddie, I didn't really get to show Maddie a whole lot. There's Nolan. Nolan, be careful. You do not want to fall on your face again. We're about to do the outro. Do you want to do it with me?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, we have to all get together to do this. Just because I like it when we're all together. Okay, guys, Mason ain't here right now just because, and the whole grade 8s, all the 8 cousins, they're not here right now. So, but okay, Nolan, we're doing the outro. Come on, guys, get together and say bye. Okay, let's turn it around. Ah, guys, come on. Okay, but guys, for some reason, yeah, there's Nolan.
Guys, did we lose a piece of this somewhere?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I think so because Nolan dropped a piece earlier, but I picked it up and we took it inside. But guys, I just want to say bye. So let's say bye to everybody. Jesse, say bye.
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 Bye, guys.